Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tarot with Donna. So, today's reading is a little different and it's all about you. Yes, you heard that right. Someone has had a tarot reading about you, and I'm here to reveal what the cards have to say about their feelings, thoughts, and the way they perceive you. So, buckle up, my friends, because the universe has some juicy messages for you today. I have already shuffled the cards, and the cards have spoken, and the energies are high. So, let's break down exactly what they saw about you and what their tarot reading revealed. It's not just about how they feel, but how they see you. Let's check. Oh boy, we have the lover's card. Now, the connection is real and they see you as their ideal partner. Okay. If you thought things were casual, I would say think again because this particular card speaks to a deep connection and a recognition of a soul level chemistry. The person who had the reading about you sees you as someone who could be the one. Now, that's beautiful. There's a sense of balance, attraction, and emotional harmony when they think about you. You make them feel something intense, something that goes beyond the surface. They might be thinking about whether or not this connection has a future. Now, let me tell you that this lover card also points to choices. And that could mean they are weighing their options on how to move forward with you. Maybe they are feeling torn between wanting to get closer to you and holding back for some of the other reason. But rest assured, they feel the pull and can't ignore it. Next up, we have the Knight of Cups. Oh, romantic feelings? So, someone is head over heels in their feelings towards you. When it comes to you, this person see you as a person who steers their emotions. There's definitely a sense of idealization. They view you as someone they could easily fall for. Okay, they might have feelings of admiration or infatuation with you, and these emotions could be coming to the surface now more than ever. If they are not acting on them yet, it's because they are in the dreamy phase, wondering what could be, and this person's heart is in it, and but they might still be figuring out how to take the next step. So they are calculating those things. The romantic feelings are there. This person is also juggling multiple things in their life right now. They might be trying to balance their feelings for you with their work, commitments, or other responsibilities. They see you as someone they could be with, but there's a little bit of hesitation because they have a lot on their plate. This person could be thinking, is now the right time? How do I make this work? If you're feeling that they are distant or a bit in and out, this could be why. They are trying to find the equilibrium between their emotions and everything else they have going on. Something or the other is going on in this person's life, okay? Still, this is a general reading, so take how it resonates with your situation. With High Priestess, I can see that, this person sees you as mysterious, intelligent, and a person with a high intuition. They think you have an air of mystic that they are drawn to. You could be someone who's difficult to fully understand. And that's exactly what keeps them, you know, going on like with you. That, okay, let me understand this person. Let me understand this person. Okay. So they might even feel like there's more to you than meets the eye and they want to uncover your deep layers. Okay. They are not able to understand you fully. Okay. Because you're a person who hold your emotions and feelings, that kind of personality you have. So, yeah, this person might sense a strong spiritual or emotional connection with you that they can't quite explain. And there's a sense of deep respect for you, and they are curious to see where this connection might lead. One thing is sure, my dear, they want it all with you because we have the 10 of Cups. Okay. And this is the dream card. It's all about emotional fulfillment, happiness. When it comes to you, this person sees the potential for something truly beautiful. They might envision a future with you filled with love, laughter, and emotional support. I can see happy endings and long term success here with this person. If they have been considering the idea of a future with you, I'm seeing that they can really see the potential for something stable and long lasting. They might be fantasizing about sharing their life with you, seeing you as the one who could bring that emotional fulfillment they have been longing for. Beautiful energies. Wow. I can see that the cards are pretty clear that this person is deeply into you and they want you and they definitely feel a strong pull towards you. The feelings range from romantic admiration to potential love, but there's also some practical concerns, right? They might be holding back because they are juggling life's demand or because they are still trying to figure out how to make this connection work because they're not able to understand you fully. If you have been feeling unsure about where things stand, know that the tarot has confirmed that this person sees something real in you. They are just working through their own emotions and circumstances before they can fully come to you. Okay, so hang in there. There's a lot more going on beneath the surface than you might realize. Okay, and because you are important to that person for something, okay, in some shape or form, and therefore they had a tarot reading about you. Please note that this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with you, so take accordingly.